Alright everyone, you can check out our cabin right here. There it is, it's right next to the river, and you can notice the trees right by the cabin didn't burn. But look at this, as soon as we cross over the river you can see this whole black spruce forest has burned, and it's just burned to the ground. It's nothing but little tiny poles standing up. And it burned as far as the eye can see. 30 miles burned to the ground. Burned all the way across here. Most of these trees all the way up to the river burned, except for right in here. There's a couple that didn't. And the fire started up on this side of the river, and it burned all the way up this side of this hill. We call this Mount 952. It's the view from our dining room table. And it just burned all the way across this field. This is where we did the majority of our hunting and trapping, was over here. And it's just totally burned all the way down here. And as you zoom in, these look like they're good, but 90% of these have all burned. There's only a couple trees that are actually alive over there. A lot of them are still standing, and they'll fall over in the next few years. And then we come across the river again, and then this all burned. All of this burned right up to our door. You can see our cabin here again. At least we have a small little oasis of trees around our cabin.